In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pages within a page in Squarespace. If you've been wanting to organize your website better and make navigation a breeze for your visitors, you're in the right place. It's a straightforward process, and we'll cover everything step by step in just a few minutes. Let's kick things off by opening your preferred web browser. You'll want to type Squarespace into the search bar. Once the search results appear, look for the link that takes you directly to the Squarespace homepage. It's often one of the first options listed and will have the URL https://www.squarespace.com. Clicking on this will get us started. Now, you'll want to log into your Squarespace account if you haven't already. If you're new to Squarespace, you'll need to sign up first, which just means creating your account by following the simple prompts. Once you're logged in and inside your Squarespace dashboard, locate the home menu. On the left-hand panel, you'll see Pages. Go ahead and click on that. Inside the Pages section, under Main Navigation, there's a small plus icon. This is your tool for adding new elements to your site's navigation. Click on this plus icon, and a menu with various options will pop up. For what we're doing today, select Drop-Down. A drop-down is a fantastic way to bundle related pages together under a single heading, making your site look organized and professional. After you've selected drop-down, you'll need to give it a title. Think about what kind of content will go under this drop-down. It could be services, about us, or whatever suits your needs. Enter your chosen title, keeping it concise and descriptive, as this will show up in your navigation menu. Now that you've created a drop-down, you're ready to start filling it with pages. You have a couple of options here. You can add brand new pages or move existing ones into this drop-down. To add a new page, look directly under your newly titled drop-down in the Pages panel. There, you'll see another plus icon labeled Add Page. Click on it, and you'll be guided through the setup for a new page. If you have existing pages you would like to include, especially ones that are currently under Not Linked or elsewhere in main navigation, you can drag and drop those. Just click and drag a page to the indented area right below your drop-down title. It's all about making your site intuitive for those who visit. Finally, to ensure everything is in the right order, you can drag and drop the pages within the drop-down itself. Simply move them up or down to adjust how they appear in your menu. And that's it. You've successfully organized your pages within a drop-down on Squarespace, giving your site a clean, streamlined appearance. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.